So, like I showed you in the pictures, so you can see it's
Screen, yeah, don't worry about that, yeah.
You see the white.
We're gonna make it brand new, and then the battery as well.
Exactly.
My friend, don't worry, it's gonna be brand new.
Fixes.
This is for you, buddy.
Awesome.
Keep it
Thank
for
you
you.
very much.
And it shouldn't take too much time. Give me. All done, my friend. New phone, buddy. New battery with new seal, everything. And I put new screen, brother. Like, I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, brother. Very nice to meet you.